Before a social worker visits a home to start an investigation, they often will run a criminal background check on the parents. According to the delivered service log, Harris documented the following on November 30th. Mother or father has no criminal hits. Harris will later lie in her detention report. Under criminal history, please see the attached CLETS, which shows hits for both parents. Back to December 4th, after Harris forged the parents' signatures to steal the children's private information, she also submitted for police reports to the home of the mother and father. It's important to note that Harris requested police reports, not the police call for service log. On December 5th, the mother exchanged several emails with Harris to arrange a time and place for the children to be interviewed. Harris doesn't document these emails in the delivered service log and she didn't include them in her detention report. Harris will continue to leave out certain dates where there was contact between her and the parents. Phone records and recordings can easily prove this. December 6th is an important day. That morning the father took the children to be interviewed at the Glendora DCFS office. Harris then asked the father if she could speak with the children privately, one at a time. When the interviews were over, Harris said everything looked good. Depending on the results from the drug test, they can close the referral. The reason December 6th is an important day is because Harris did an incredibly awful thing to the family. She lied about the parents agreeing to do a family maintenance plan. According to this document, under child case history, Harris lied by fabricating a court-ordered family maintenance plan. After reviewing the delivered service log, there is no mention of family maintenance services anywhere in the entire document. Harris did not discuss a family maintenance plan with the parents. Harris had only interviewed the children on December 6th and she even told the father that they're going to close the case depending on the results from the drug tests. December 7th is another important date. Harris received the parents' drug test results and instead of documenting them in the delivered service log like she did with the son's private identifiable information, she held on to them for several days. On December 12th, Harris finally documented the parents' drug test results in the delivered service log from a suspicious report that's missing a timestamp. DCFS's policy makes it clear that test results must be reviewed and discussed with clients, regardless of the outcome of the test. Policy also states that Harris needs to consult with her supervisor to determine how to communicate the test results with the clients. Usually a child and family team meeting is appropriate when discussing the needs of the family. Harris didn't perform none of those things. She didn't do anything after she documented the parents' drug test results. Janice Harris, failing to perform mandatory duties in this case, was intentionally done. She's guilty of perjury, forgery, falsifying documents and evidence. This criminal behavior is done for a reason. Look out for Part 3 and learn what that reason is. Social workers should not participate in, condone, or be associated with dishonesty, fraud or deception. This activity is going on in the County of Los Angeles at the Department of Children and Family Services, specifically at the Glendora office.